doing?
Nobody be talking to Captain Jack Sparrow with such disrespect. September's bursting with new and exclusive Lego sets that will blow your pirate head off. Set the sail with Captain Jack Sparrow's pirate ship. Build a legendary ghost galleon with torn sails, spooky mast, and 8 iconic minifigs. Fire the cannons, stir the rudder. It's a treasure trove for film fans. Craving nostalgia? Enter into Willy Wonka's world. Recreate the magical chocolate factory with 9 beloved characters, a spinning chocolate waterfall, and surprises around every sugary corner. It's whimsical, weird, and wonderfully Wonka. Feeling futuristic? Willy and Eve are here. This adorable duo is ready for hands-on build adventure. Get ready to unwrap the fun with brand new Advent Lego calendars from City, Star Wars, Disney, Friends, Minecraft, and Harry Potter. Swing into action with the brand new CMF Lego minifigurines. Spider-Man Across the Spider-Verse series. Plus, fresh new brickheads are dropping in hot. Epic gift with purchase deals? Oh yes! Spend $2,500 and score a Lego Fortnite brickheads free. Spend 3,000 Rand and get the Lego tribute to Jane Austen's books free. Buy the Harry Potter Hogsmeade Village Collector's Edition and get the Room of Requirement absolutely free. With so many epic sets dropping this September, your best move? Dash to your nearest Lego certified store or click online before they vanish like pirate gold.